Alright. What's up, YouTube? We are here doing a game jam. We got about 5 minutes before the game jam starts. How y'all doing? Hope you're doing great. I do this every Friday right here on Hyper Game Dev. You would know that if the Godot wasn't in the way. There it is, Hyper Game Dev. Yeah, we're doing this live right now, but if you're joining us after the live stream, yay, thank you for doing that. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that way you know when these things happen and we can give all the wonderful glory to the people who join in this jam. Speaking of all of y'all, how y'all doing? We got Merpmaker in the host. We got Dark Rosen. It's a yummy jam today. Let's go. We got S up in here. We got Pierogigon. We got Retro Spark. We got Jay Jorn. Oh my gosh, what a family. I'm still setting up my project right now. What is today? Today's the 26th. All right, I gotta make sure I got it ready to go. There it goes, the blank empty canvas. So the first hour of this jam is gonna be me jamming it out, trying to do this thing in 1 hour. I'm using Godot. You can use whatever engine that you want. And then for the rest of the stream, after I'm done, we're gonna check out all the amazing entries. So remember that. Pretty sure subscribers spiked up by 200 last time I was here. Yeah, I think we're sitting in like 860. Thank you, the Game Jam viewership. The folks who come through after this goes live, y'all make this happen. Y'all are the ones. Thank you for doing that. And if you haven't done it, I don't know what you're waiting for, and I respect your decision to curate your subscription feed, but I promise you're not gonna be disappointed. I'm just saying, look, that was a bold promise. I don't know what your expectations are. Anyway, DTRGG says, I have something cool to show you. Well, drop it in the Discord so I can see it. I think I know what it might be. We'll try to do it in JavaScript HTML this time. Very nice. So we have 3 minutes before the jam starts. Let me tell you a little bit about this jam. Got my blank project ready, so you know I'm ready. Okay, let's be serious. Okay, very serious. God, it's so hype. It's just so hype. But this game jam, however hype it may be, is non-rated. We don't do any ratings. The itch.io jam link is in the description box, and you will not find ratings here because this is all about getting the game dev gears in our brains turning, not trying to judge who did better or whatever. Nothing like that. What theme? This is a good question. Let me tell you about the rules and we gonna get to the theme. Number 1, make your entry a game. And whatever a game is, that's up to you. Honestly, it can be a TTRPG, a narrative style game. It can be 3D, 2D. It can have assets that you borrowed, assets that you made in the past. Maybe you make it on the spot. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it on the spot. Start up the GPT, all of that. That works for me. Do it. Please do it. Totally fine. If it's a game to you, it's a game to me. Rule number 2, use the topic. Now, what is the topic? I'm gonna hold you guys a little bit. Hold on. I'm not gonna tell you what the topic is yet, because usually chat would decide the topic. But today, I'm gonna decide the topic, and I'll tell you why in a second. A 1D game? Please, I would love to see that. I don't know how. But one thing to note about making a game, guys, it has to be HTML based. It must be HTML based. That is to say, I have to be able to play it in the browser. So you can make it in whatever language you want, whatever engine you want. Just make sure you can export it onto itch, right? And then have it be playable in the browser. Even if it's a URL, like a Scratch game, and we jump to the Scratch game, that works too. I have to be able to play it within the browser. So that's an important rule. Remember that. Don't forget that. Okay, now, what is the theme? Now, you may or may not know this, but there is currently a game jam going on, a bigger game jam than ours, much bigger, a freaking global game jam, you might say. I'm putting a link in the chat. I'll make sure there's a link in the description later, so that way you can all check it out. Global Game Jam is currently happening. They organize stuff all over the place, around the world. People get together. It's awesome. The topic is going to be based on the Global Game Jam theme. You have 48 hours in the Global Game Jam to get a entry in. So I'm just saying, for this weekend, maybe you could use their topic or our game jam with this topic, make me laugh. Maybe you can use that to help jumpstart your global game jam entry. That's my idea. That's what I want. I want you guys to jumpstart your global game jam entries with this jam. Now, maybe you're like, you know what? I don't really care. I don't really want to do the global game jam. Well, then you know what? That's just our topic, is that. It's not time travel. It's make me laugh. It's make me laugh. Make me laugh is the topic, y'all. That is the topic. Again, this is based on the Global Game Jam topic. You can check out the Global Game Jam in your area. There literally might be people getting together in your area right now doing a game jam, and you can go join them. And maybe this will give you a head start. So that's the idea. Normally chat picks the topic, but today we're going with the Global Game Jam topic. I hope you guys are okay with that. I think it's gonna be fun. You don't have to be good at jokes. I don't know what maybe not being good at jokes is the game. Maybe the game is that you're up on stage and you're telling bad jokes and you gotta throw tomatoes at the comedian. You see, look, I just came up with that. I'm a genius. You're a genius. Let's figure it out. We'll get there. So that's the topic, make me laugh. Not a topic I would normally pick, but it is a hard one. It is a hard one. It's not a topic I'd usually pick, but when there's a huge game jam going on during ours, I like to pay homage to that and maybe help out people get topics for that. So as you see, the timer, guys, the timer has started. The timer has started, so make me laugh. That is it. Hopefully you guys are ready to go. Make me laugh. Now, if you don't make me laugh, that's okay. I'll probably laugh anyway, but I promise we won't laugh at you. This is a no judgment zone. It's all love here. Whatever you come up with is great in my eyes. I can't promise it'll make me laugh, but I probably will think it's great. All right. So now that we've gone through all of that, there's one last rule to talk about. You only have 1 hour. Now, actually, if you're still listening to me, you only have 58 minutes. I'm just saying, you better get started. But look, if you go overtime, that's okay. I'm gonna do a pre-submission right now. If you do this on itch.io, you will be able to submit your entry. You'll be able to submit your entry after the game jam ends. What? Yeah, I gotta check out other entries. We can stall a little bit, so you have some more time than an hour, but generally try to make the most of your game in an hour. And if you need more time, I can always check it out as a late entry next week. Okay, so that's all the information. That's all you need to know. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna show you how to do a pre-submission because I need a pre-submission. What if it's really unfunny? Then honestly, like, that'll be kind of funny. Like, that would be kind of funny. If it's so unfunny, it'll probably be kind of funny. Make it so, yeah, exactly. Retro, you already know. What if it's like really offensive? Okay, no, this is family-friendly stuff here. Family-friendly, please, all right? Please keep it family. If you have a doubt in your mind that it could offend somebody, do not do it. That's it. This is your only warning, okay? All right, so I'm gonna submit a pre-submission so you guys can see how to do this. I need to do this for myself because sometimes I go over time. I'm gonna have less than an hour to do my own, so I better do this. And guys, please, if you're joining the jam, I recommend it. I really recommend it. It's really gonna help you because you're gonna get in those last few minutes and be like, oh shoot, I still have to upload it. But if you already did this, I'm just saying. So I'm gonna say this is my make me laugh entry. What's up, Minnie? Welcome. Good to see you. And I'm going to do nothing else. I'm gonna save it. That's it. That's all I did. I didn't do anything more than that. I literally didn't do anything else. All I did was title it and I hit saved. Pre-submission, done. Now, whenever you come to update this, you're gonna have to do something. Come down here to public, click it, and then hit configure settings if you want to. Actually, all you have to do is hit public and then you can save it. Because if you don't make it public, we're not gonna be able to play it after the jam ends. So make sure you make it public. But if you're like, wait, but what if I'm embarrassed about this because it's not funny or it's just bad? Well, first of all, I bet it's not that bad. Second of all, understandable. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna hit unlisted and search and browse. That way it won't pop up on itch.io if people go looking around. And you might say, well, what about my profile page? I got you, fam. So I've got this now on my profile page. Let's say you wanna hide it. Hit edit theme, scroll on down, and you can just boop it away. And there it goes. Knuckle blister, no. If you think for a second, for a fraction of a second, that what you're making might be offensive, do not do it. This is your only warning. I made it before because you probably weren't here when I said this a second ago. Yeah, exactly, Minnie. Literally no tolerance. Like, not okay, not acceptable. I will boot you the crap out of here. No offensiveness, all right? And you know if it's offensive. You know if it's offensive. Don't even give me well, I can't. No, you knew. You knew. All right, here we go. Again, we're basing this topic on the Global Game Jam theme. I did my pre-submission, so I think I'm ready to go. So let's do it. Make me laugh. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I don't like this topic. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I think this is a bad topic, but I think the Global Game Jam is freaking awesome. Again, here's the link. I'll drop it in the chat. This is what we're basing it on. You can find locations in your area to join people, literally real people. You can join them and be around them and make games, or you can do it remotely as well. But it's a really, really big and cool game jam. That's why I did choose it. I did choose it. That's true. But you know, I guess I also like to challenge myself, I like to challenge myself because why should everything be easy all the time? Just like people who want to make offensive jokes. How about you do something a little difficult and don't be offensive? You know what I'm saying? Just see what happens. You might not mind it. All right, so make me laugh. I kind of think, I gotta be honest, I kind of like my idea already. The idea I said earlier, maybe I'll just do it. You're a comedian who's telling bad jokes. You're not funny, right? Like, am I funny? I don't think I'm funny. So, we can just imagine somebody who's very relatable is up here telling some jokes. I'm not saying it's me. I'm not saying it's me, okay? I'm not saying it's me, even if they're wearing my clothes. That's not what I'm saying. So we have a person up here, and you have to throw tomatoes at them. Honestly, I kind of think that's a fun idea. So it's what I'm going to do. Even though it's kind of mean to throw tomatoes at somebody, I don't know if I like how mean that is. So what if they want the tomatoes thrown at them? And then it's also like, if it's about making you laugh, like what happens if you don't make them laugh, you get tomatoes. So what if you get, and it's also like, who's me? Like, make me laugh. Who is me versus who is you? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't want to dive in too literally into the topic, right? We're just kind of generally being influenced by it. Like, truly, like, you don't have to like fully integrate the topic in a deep way. Like, just kind of reference it, you know? So, I mean, it could be like a tomato throwing thing. Maybe it's about people who make offensive jokes. What am I doing here? Who is me, Socrates? We do get a little deep sometimes. Sometimes we gotta get a little deep. This person is not ill, even though I'm making them have a green face. We're just making them seem like different people. Yes, we get very philosophical here. Sometimes it's important. Sometimes it's important to question our beliefs. Okay, so what if we've got multiple people up here, all right? This is gonna be simple. I have to base it on what I even know I can do in Godot, which isn't that much. I'm kind of new to Godot, so I gotta do my best. So there's multiple people up here, and they're telling different jokes, right? And who knows who's gonna tell a joke where? Sock raters. Yeah. I think therefore I am. That's also a philosophical statement. Rennie Descartes, I think, says that one. I'm sure somebody said it before them, but we credit that man. That's the man that we credit. So I'm gonna say people like joke, right? It'll just be like, or we'll say joke pool, but it's not really gonna be a joke. It'll just say like you'll know. It'll say like good safe joke. Safe joke. Offensive joke. All right? Who's deciding if they're offensive or safe? The audience. You, the audience, are deciding. You, the player, are the one, right? And so they're just gonna like cycle through, and it's just gonna say if it's a safe joke or not. All right, so this is an example of how you can take the topic in a mediocre. Let's, I mean, it's certainly not about the quality of the joke, but that's actually hilarious. It's more about, did it upset anybody? But you're right. If it's supposed to be funny, right? Is it funny or not? So we're not really determining if the offensive joke is or isn't funny, because it doesn't matter if it's funny. Plenty of offensive jokes are funny, but it doesn't mean they're acceptable, at least for this jam. This is the multiplayer game. Oh yeah, you know it. Oh, full multiplayer. Like, we've got a lobby, and you can voice chat with your teammates and invite your friends. Yeah, it's gonna be a full. It's gonna have matchmaking, actually, so it's gonna be really interesting to see like who gets to be the jokesters and not. So yeah, we're going full out with the multiple. Get out of here! What you talking about? It's not gonna be multiplayer. What you talking? Get on my face! All right, welcome Dragonblade. Also, good to see you. Let's get on that 1-hour multiplayer game. Sets up TCP sockets. Easy peasy. How hard can that be? Won't that be? Yes, it will. It'll be ridiculous. 1 hour sounds like enough time for that and more. Honestly, Dragonblade, bring it on then. Let's go. Where's your entry? Let's go. Let me see your multiplayer entry. Thank you, DNF, for the thumbs up and for the good stream. If you haven't thumbed it up yet, go ahead and thumb it up. That's fine. That'll help the stream a whole bunch. For real. Welcome, DNF. Welcome. All right, so this is all we're gonna worry about, right? Because what I'm here for is making games. That's what I'm here for. $1 billion game in an hour game jam. Yeah, exactly. Thank you for the love. I keep want to say knuckle buster. You knuckle blister. I don't want to know what a knuckle buster is. Add some AI into it too. Okay. All right. That's slightly easier. Because what is AI? Do you know what I mean? Add AI and call him Al. Or I gotta stop reading. Dude, if I keep reading chat, I'm never gonna get my jam game done. Do you see how much time is left? Look at the time. Hello to Belgium. Look at the time. Like, I'm in danger. I will say, usually I start about 45 minutes in, so it's fine. But I need to hurry up. So we've got safe joke, offensive joke, and this is just gonna change. All right, dude. Dragonblade's working on it, man. Dragonblade's working on it. So that's going to be that. And then you, the player, oh, you were planning to distract me? Oh, that's very malicious of you. You are not from the Netherlands. Okay, I don't even want to get in the middle of this. Chat, you need to handle this. Please handle this amongst yourselves. So I can't be here to monitor it because I have to jam. So I'm going to say we have tomatoes. Right? Just some nice ripe tomatoes that we're just gonna be chucking at these people. What about we have flowers for the ones that we think are nice? Am I gonna be able to make flowers? Yeah, I could make flowers. Looks like we're doing some art. Today. We are definitely doing some art today. That's gonna be fun. So I don't know why you would throw flowers at a comedian. This is one of the least funny comedy shows of all time. But that's not the point. The point is to make games. That's what we're here for, is learning how to make games. And if Global Game Jam picks a topic that is not awesome, that's okay, because I support Global Game Jam deeply, and I really want everybody who is going to consider participating in it to have a leg up, because they already had some work done here. So that's all I gotta say. It doesn't have to be a funny game jam. So you're gonna have these objects that you can throw at the people, right? Throw them on at the people, and if you get it wrong, you'll get less points. If you get it right, you get more points. Simple, stupid game gets the job done. So we're gonna say points, right? And if you throw a tomato at a safe joke, you get minus points. If you throw a tomato at an offensive joke, you get plus points. That's the entire game. All right, done. Plan done. Before I start, I'm going to nerf my own time a little bit more, because I got to tell you guys about these Humble Bundles. It's that time. It's Humble Bundle time. All the links are in the descriptions for this, by the way. Humble Bundle has some awesome stuff right now, guys. If you are into Unreal Engine. They've got, dude, this Unreal Apocalypse bundle, I'm actually extremely jealous of this. I haven't used Unreal in a while, but I'm thinking I should. So look at all these things you get. Animations, you get characters, you get music, you're gonna get models. Look at all these things you're gonna get. You're gonna get some permanent blood droplets, semi-permanent droplets. I guess you can blot droplets. It's awesome. This is a huge bundle, and they have it on Humble right now. For only $25, you get 40. I was gonna say 44, but it's only 40. You get 40 things right here. Now here's the kicker. If you want to support Hyper Game Dev, use the link in the description box. Head down to the description, get that Humble Bundle link. On top of that, hit adjust donation on this page, and look what you can do. Hit custom amount, and just, oh yeah, Humble Bundle giving Hyper Game Dev money. Humble Bundle will donate most of the money to Hyper Game Dev if you come down here and you divert it. So money you would already spend on these Humble Bundles, you can spend on supporting the channel. I'm just saying, that's a pretty cool thing. There's also this Unreal Engine 5 bundle, which has lessons, courses that you can take, so you can learn a bunch of awesome stuff about Unreal Engine and making games in Unreal Engine. It has a few assets as well. This one's about to end, so you might want to grab it ASAP. $25, you're going to get 14 of these really, really great assets. Once again, adjust that donation for Hyper Game Dev, and you'll be supporting this game jam and this channel. So thank you if you can do that. That's my favorite charity too. If you're not so much inclined to do the game engine thing, maybe you just want to learn Python. That's cool. Python is awesome. They have a book bundle right now by Pact. This is the same thing. You can adjust that donation for Hyper Game Dev. And finally, let's say you're looking for a job in tech. Are you looking for a job in tech? You want to be a coder for real, like for your money? There's the software architecture book bundle. It's got a bunch of learnings, 22 things for $18. I mean, look, it's heavy reading, but you're going to get it at a huge discount. And once again, make sure you adjust that donation for Hyper Game Dev. Thank you if you're able to do that. I appreciate it. The channel appreciates. The devs here probably appreciate it. And yes, you make a good point, Dragonblade. You can use these assets outside of Unreal Engine. Very good point. You can. You're going to get some extra stuff that is like optimized for Unreal, but technically, yeah, you can do that. All right, y'all. That's it. The links are all in the description box. Check them out if you're interested. I just wanted to tell you, I want to do my part and make sure you know about them. Okay, here we go. So I got, how much time? Just tell me the truth. How much time? 43 minutes. This is going to be one of the shortest times I've had. That's what happens. All right, so I'm going to give myself 40 minutes. I'm just going to give myself 40. So I set my own timer just to give myself that extra layer of pressure. But it doesn't matter because if I'm late, there's still some time left. All right. So I want to have stuff on a stage, right? Like, so I'm just going to set the scene. We're just going to block it out here. We don't have to really worry about this meaning anything. Like, I don't need to make it a special area 3D or anything like that, right? It's just gonna be something to visualize what we're building here. Stretch that out. Stretch that out. Jordan says it's 0 o'clock for me, and I want to get some sleep, so I won't be joining. Just ignore my pre-submission. All right, do it in the morning. Yeah, we can check it out next week. Knucklebuster is one of those Iron Fist weapon things that all English mobs use. That's what it sounds like. All right, it's just like, it's so scary. It scares me a little. That's the stage, all right? Bam, stage. We don't really need like a floor, but what the hell? I'm just gonna duplicate this, and we'll just grow this out. I guess the stage could be like, oh, they're linked. We don't want them to be linked. Please don't be linked. Yeah, you don't have to be linked. They're linked. Okay. All right, cool. Well, you know what? I'll just make a new one. How about I just make a new one? And I feel like, can we just, I don't know. I'm surprised I can't make it unique, but I don't have time to think about it because I'm already late. I guess we will make it a plane then. And then we'll just grow it super long. That'll be the floor. We're setting a mood here. I feel like the mood of it kind of like makes it. You know, that it feels like we're at the basement of a bar where comedy happens. Uh, let's set this to a dark color. And then the stage, a slightly less dark, but certainly dark color, to say the least. So I'm going to have to get some point system in here. We're going to have like aiming. Oh gosh. So I guess we'll just have to, I guess, have a ray cast. Oh, do I know how to do that? I do in my other projects. So maybe I have to grab some logic from another project. That's going to be fun. That's going to be fun. I'm not going to put chairs in here. That's a little too much. Why would it be crooked? Why would you be crooked? Why would you do that? Let me fix that positioning just a little bit. There we go. So I'm gonna get a camera in here as well. I guess I should think about the sky. Chairs and tables. Oh, mini! That is a good idea. I love the teamwork. Okay, let me get a camera in here. That is something I can handle. That is such a good idea. I love that. Let me make sure. So it's a little too on the plane there, so we don't actually see it. That's not ideal. Let's move this up. Rotate it down. But we should be looking like from the other direction, right? Hey, Novid, you made it! I'm so glad you made it, Novid. I hope you're doing good, feeling good, all that stuff. It's kind of hard, like... I guess we could be... I wasn't imagining it like this, but I guess this makes more sense. If you're in the audience, you're going to be down low, right? And you're looking up at the stage. I mean, I'm just saying, if we're going to be entirely logical about it, which I wasn't, but... You know, I'm starting to think, oh, it's like a shadow. Let's just add... Can we not have like this... Whoa, yeah, it's red. Yeah, it's red. That's what it is, red. And then it's blue. That looks like funny. Okay, and then, I mean, it made me laugh, so that's all that matters. And then we're gonna do some chairs. Let's do it. I love it. Why not? Cylinders. That's such a good idea to do cylinders. I don't know why I just didn't even think about it. But I'm glad you did. Shrink it down. Shrink it down. Please make them the same size on the way down. And I guess, so in theory, we're sitting on one of these chairs, wherever the heck we are. That's chairs. That's what that is. We don't need tables. We don't need tables. This isn't some fancy place. This is literally, you know, just set up in the basement of a bar. They didn't have time for all that. But apparently they do have some nice cylinder chairs, which I guess is what nice is. We probably don't need that many rows. And in fact, you know what I should do? I should just duplicate these and then pull them back. And then the camera can just be in here a bit. So that way we can appreciate the chair, the effort that went into these chairs. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm sold. I'm convinced. Kind of. Bring it a little closer. Just a little closer. All right, there you have it. There you have it. Stage. After you're done with the project, click on the Asset Lab and search Orchestrator in the plugin section and enable it. Oh, cool. Oh, is that like visual scripting in Godot? Nice. Oh, interesting. Good find. Noted. I'll make sure I made a post in Discord about visual scripting in Godot. DTR came through the stream the other day and was asking about visual scripting in Godot. I said I'd look for my things and you'd look for your things and we'd meet up and talk about it, and we did. I'm going to add that to my list on Discord. Good stuff. Noted. Cool. So there's that. Now, we need some logic, right? I'm just gonna smash this all into a node. I could even just have this be its own scene. I could say this is enviro, and then make a new scene, and this is where our logic will go. And we'll just drop enviro in here, and then we're good to go. Enviro. Okay, now, if I want a point system, I'm gonna need a label, right? At least a label. And we're just gonna call it a good old score here. This is not a greatest way to do it, but I'm going to add another label in here. And we're gonna call this score. And I'm gonna scooch it on over. Just give it a bit of a scooch. Where's there? Okay, you know what? It's fine. Do it like this. And then this will be where the score goes. It's gonna be a little weird. Can we make it bigger? Can we make it bigger? I know there's better ways to do this, but this is the way I'm doing it because I'm very short on time. Make it font sizes. I like 100. I like there to be, 100's a little big. Let's do 70. That's quite large. I added Phantom camera yesterday to my project. Really nice and easy to set up. All kinds of polished cameras. Oh yeah, I saw that on Games from Scratch. Yeah, that looks like a really cool one. It's like, so Phantom camera is kind of like a Cinemachine that you would find in Unity, except it's for Godot, and it lets you have some fancier, easier, pre-set up, high-level camera functionality, which is pretty neat. Go, go, Godot. Yes, indeed, Vince Cully, welcome. Good to see you. Hope you've been well. Yeah, I'm jamming it out. I got 30 minutes. I'm in trouble, but we'll be all right. Doing a 1-hour game jam here, and I started like 10 minutes ago. Exactly like Cinemachine. I was gonna say that, but thought you weren't familiar with it. Oh no, I did. I did some Unity streams. You can actually find those streams in a playlist at the bottom of the Hyper Game Dev channel. I tried Unity, Unreal, and GDevelop before deciding on Godot. So you know what? I did like Unity. It was a little bloated for my taste, but overall I liked it. You just started. Nice. Okay, all right. Welcome to the Godot family. Or is it Unity that you just started? Or you just started your entry? Welcome to the entry family. All right, for real though. Focus, focus! We got score. We want this to update. I'm gonna give a little scripty whipty. And Unity is definitely bloated, right? You're using Scratch. Nice. Awesome. Love Scratch. So good for quick game jams. And then the theme, oh, I forgot to pin it in the chat. The theme is Make Me Laugh. It is based on the Global Game Jam topic. Since there's a big game jam happening right now, I wanted to homage it and maybe encourage people to join up in that awesome, cool jam that's happening. It's not my favorite theme, but it is the theme. And so my game is going to be about people making offensive jokes or safe jokes. And you throw tomatoes at people making offensive jokes, and you throw flowers at people making safe jokes. And you get points if you match. It's a matching game. It's just a matching game that I may or may not be able to make work. So I want to say that if we need to have some different conditions here. I don't know if I'm even going to do art. I want to. I don't even know, dude. How do we... Okay, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna make a new scene, and we're gonna make this a person. Okay? This is gonna be... I don't know, man. I don't even know, like, how do you even choose if you're throwing flowers or tomatoes? I feel like that's too complicated. It should be just you throw tomatoes at people who are being offensive, and that's it. I think that's gonna be simpler. Like, I'm already in so much danger. Like, I think this is gonna make the most sense. Knuckle Blister is doing art. Nice. Me too. If you can call this art. I'm gonna add another one. Get another one in there. And I don't really want it to have like collision or anything. Really, it's all I want is... You know what we could say? I mean, yeah, do I really want to raycast though? I feel like we could do buttons. I feel like that would be easier. I should do buttons. I'm almost finished with my game, I think. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need to keep going. I can't... Oh my gosh, you're almost finished? What the what? I know. Actually, let's make it a cylinder. Lots of cylinders here. Lots and lots of cylinders going on here. Oh, yeah, making like a cone. Are poop jokes offensive? I'm gonna say no, but I'm gonna say yes, potentially. Depends on the poop joke, man. But this is the rule, Vince. If you think for a second that it might be offensive, assume it is, don't do it. That's the rule. That's the rule. If you break it, you will be disqualified. No playing around. All right, this is totally a person, dude. That's such a person. I love it. So great, good. I'm gonna save this as a person. I'm gonna come back to my main scene. Main scene. Honestly, if you have to ask, it's a no. All right. If you have to ask, it's a no. Understood? No more questions. Because if you think about asking, you shouldn't have to ask me. Because if you think about asking, then you know. Now, you can discuss in the chat if you think things are offensive. But if you're asking me if it's allowed, if you have to ask, it's not allowed. Simple as that. All right. So let's add in a person. That is a bigger person than I imagined relative to the size of the stage. So we're gonna have to adjust that just a little bit. I was imagining just a few persons. I don't think I need to make like art. I don't think I have to make art. I don't think I do. I don't think I do, because tomatoes are circles. Knock jokes like, get out of my face. Get the flip out of my face. See, you think you're being clever, but you didn't have to ask. You wanted to ask. That's different. That's different. So you're not even being that clever. Are you parsing jokes from text files? Hell no. Are you choosing jokes every round? I'm not. It's making it in 30 minutes. It's literally what you see is what you get. Okay? What you see is what you get. Is speaking allowed? Sure, why not? Right, and you're not even participating. So, you know what I'm saying? Is free will. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. You guys are being silly. You guys are being silly. All right, let's paste this in here so this one gets down to the same size. I don't know why. I mean, I guess they're doing like improv comedy, so that's why they're all up there. Yeah, this is improv comedy, so you know it's gonna be especially funny. In double quotes. Let's paste this on. You'd write me a joke parser? That's awesome. Oh, that's dope. I love that. I love that. Yeah, you know, I feel you. I do this every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So, you know what? You can always join me and we can try working together, but that usually is harder than it sounds. But you can always join us and make your own entry and stuff like that. When Chuck Norris does divisions, there are no remainders. That's pretty badass. I'm just trying to make time smaller. Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that so much. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I really do. It makes it more exciting. Yeah, Dragon Blade out here keeping the entertainment value up. So there's 3 of those. Great. So I'm gonna add buttons to the scene. I think that's gonna make it a lot easier. I should have had a control node like 20 years ago, but I didn't, and I don't. But that's okay. I guess we can do it now. It's never too late. So now we got the score up here in this control node, and that's wonderful. What does it look like? What does the game look like? Does it look like something yet? Yes. Current scene. Current scene, please. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It looks awesome. If I ever make a text parser for Godot, I'll share it in the Discord. Yeah, dude, there's a Godot channel right up in there. Right up in there. I love that. Thanks, Vince. And then I stream Godot during the week as well, and I work on a game during the week. So, you know, I'm deep in Godot. If 2 people have the same idea, that's awesome. What do you think? You tell me. Literally, that's up to you. It doesn't matter to me. I think that's beautiful. I'm going to add some buttons in here. Button. And somehow I just have to make sure that there's like wrong buttons and right buttons. There's buttons that if you click on them, they're the wrong one. And if you click on them, they're the right one. We're just going to say tomato. All right. We're just going to say tomato. That's it. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Okay, with the bottom tis. All right. All right. Heard. Heard. Let's get a size on here. Maybe 50. How about 40? Please, what? It doesn't matter. Okay. Tomato. I do feel like it should be red, but like, you know, I don't have time. And there's no reason why I should be sitting here looking for a color. Please, come on now. Don't look for a color. You don't even know where it is. You don't even know where it is. You can't find it because you don't know where it is. There needs to be an icon for that to work. And you don't have one. So just stop. All right. So tomato. And we're going to need these to kind of line up a little bit. So this will be 1. I'm gonna duplicate it and only be a little afraid of that. Font color. I don't want the font color. I wanted the button color, which I feel like is probably somewhere simple as well. But that's what I meant, was the icon color. Or not the icon, but the background. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have 3 buttons, and we just need to make sure only the one that is currently the bad joke is the one. Do you know what I'm saying? That you should be clicking on. What? Why is this control node so weird? I mean, I guess it makes sense. Okay, what does this look... Oops, what does this look like right now? I'm definitely in danger. I'm in a little danger. Tomato, tomato, tomato! Tomato, 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 baby! Let's scooch this over. I'm gonna push it up. A little hard when you can't see where it's gonna be, but that's alright. That's alright. We can work it out. We can work it out. Okay, tomato, tomato, tomato. Not really making sense. So these people need to be moved out a lot. A lot. And then we're gonna need it to randomly pick only 1 out of 3 possible choices. That's gonna be a little hard. I don't technically know how to do that. So good luck to me on that one. Good luck to me on that one. Because there's going to be 3 different possibilities, right? Or 2 different possibilities. Either there's going to be 3 different places where 2 different possibilities can manifest, right? Either it's going to be, man, oh man. Either it's going to happen that the person on the far left tells an offensive joke, the person in the middle tells an offensive joke, the person on the end tells an offensive joke. Or a safe joke, a safe joke, a safe joke. And then you have to come and decide who gets the tomato, right? And so it has 2 different options that it's going to cycle between. Am I the first person telling an offensive or a safe one? Am I this middle person telling an offensive or a safe one? Am I on the end telling an offensive or a safe one? I guess what we could do is just have, like, you know what would be easiest? I don't care if there's multiple. It doesn't really matter. You know, we just say it rolls 1 in the ready function, you know, which one is it? Safe or offensive, safe or offensive, safe or offensive. As soon as you click it, assuming it was offensive, right? And if you click it, it'll cycle to the next one, right? It'll cycle to the next one. And it'll just like roll it again. But we have to make sure it's something, because if there's none, then if they're all telling safe jokes, then there's no one to tomato. So we kind of need it to cycle through, which is like, that's not a fun game. No, there's not going to be actual jokes. Hell no. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I'm going to have to make sure that it like changes every so often, which is weird. It's not going to be a fun game. It's not going to be a hard game. That's okay. That's not what this game jam is about. This game jam is about doing your best and learning what you can and can't do and having fun with that information. That's what it's all about. Getting the bases of games started, maybe taking them further some other day. That's what this is really all about. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to make some code. I guess I need a tomato. Let me make a tomato. I'm going to do that. So for that, I'm going to make another new scene. Is just rolling 3-sided dice enough? The number is the number of the person who told a bad joke. Yeah, maybe, but I don't know how to implement. Like I need a whole maybe, but I need a whole system for implementing that, right? And I, off the top of my head, I don't really know how to do that. Yeah, probably, but like I just don't know. I don't even know where to start. You know what I'm saying? Like I like I gotta figure out how to implement that. But thank you for giving me some inspiration. I appreciate it. I do. But like, what am I gonna do? Like I don't know. I'm not manic. I'm in the middle of a game jam. I'm gonna say add a mesh instance. We're gonna make it a sphere, and it's gonna be red, and that's how you know that it's a tomato. That's how you know it's a tomato. Simple as that. We're keeping it stupid simple. It's not about the art today. Although I'm not that unimpressed with what I've set up so far, actually. Do. Right. Okay, so that's helpful, but like still, you know, I would still have to set up like an infrastructure for how it applies it to certain ones and not others. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Like I would need a whole system for how, like I could roll it, but like then how do I apply it? You know what I'm saying? Like that's where I don't know what to do. So I'm just keeping that real. Can we make it like squashier? Just like a little squashier? Yeah, just like a little, maybe not that squashy. You like that squashy. Tomato, done. Save it. Tomato, love it. But I mean that's awesome. I didn't know you could do that. Like that's cool. That makes sense. Actually, that makes sense. You're just saying random integer and then it's just out of 3. Got it. Understood. Welcome, Neil. How you doing? Good to see you. So we're gonna say I will use the random integer stuff there. So we're gonna add in. I mean, the tomato we're just gonna instantiate, right? So I want to say, oh, you know what else I need? I need the joke, the cue about if the joke is offensive or not. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. It's nice to see you. I hope you're doing well and stuff. Did I press? Did it save it? I just pressed Control Q. I was going to press Control A, and I pressed Control Q. I didn't. They're right there. They're right next to each other. Q and A are like right next to each other. I didn't. My finger slipped. I did. What? I pressed Control Q. I didn't mean to press Control Q. I wait. Does it? Come on. What are you doing? Load. Did you save it? Why would it save it? Oh my God. Oh, it saved it. Oh, Jesus. Funny business. Holy moly. Eating guacamole constantly until you vomit. What the monkeys dancing on my face with dirty feet? Okay, we're fine. Ooh, that was exciting. Control Q. We're gonna have to turn off that shortcut. That is all right, no problem. Everything's fine. Just a minor couple minute setback. We're good. All right. What was that? Was I doing? I don't even know what I was typing. Oh my gosh. Your man saw 35-minute when it's work vanish in front of her eyes. Yes, I sure did. You're absolutely correct. I'm gonna say process nothing. We don't want any process, right? We want to say in the ready function, it is going, actually I want a timer. I want a timer as well. But in the ready function, I'm going to want it to say, indeed, randomize whether it's going to be something or something else, right? We say random integer, and then what do we do? What did you tell me to do? %3? I'm doing %2. That's what I'm going to do. Is that really all we got to do? And then that's going to do it? But wait, I have to say, I'm going to say person 1. We're going to say person 1 joke 1 or 2. Not a great system. It is what it's going to be. It is what it's going to be. It's a modulo operator. Oh gosh, that looks really, really interesting. That looks really, really interesting. Joke person 3 joke. Dreamy is here. I love it. I love it. Welcome, Dreamy. Good to see you. Person 3 joke. Randy. Random integer. Percent 2. We'll just give them their own randomized situation. Are we sure we're typing this correctly? I think I need to do equals. I'm bugging, dude. That quit moment had me tripping so hard. Okay, so then we're gonna set up variable person 1 joke. We really don't need to say the word joke on the end. That is just slowing me down, if I'm being honest. Person 3 joke, but that's okay. It has to be what it is. All right, so it's going to randomize it right off the bat. Oh, right, that's what I was going to do, and that's where I was hitting Control A, because I was going to make the joke labels. Control A, not Control Q. Not Control Q. Open this up, and we're going to say... What am I gonna say? I'm gonna say simple, offensive joke, safe joke. Simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, drag this over here. So we need for each person, really. This is gonna be difficult. So we're gonna say this is 1 off. Oh gosh, I don't have time. It's too hard. It's too complicated. I might have to scale down. You know what? I don't even know. 1 safe. Okay. This is not a system. This is also hilarious. Offensive joke. Not reading it, Dragon. Not gonna read it. Ain't gonna happen. Nope. Not gonna do it. Not gonna look at it. You're not gonna get me. I just because I put it on the screen doesn't mean that I read it. Okay? Didn't read it. Don't know what you said. Couldn't tell you. Why is this? Oh, because I have scale selected. Oh, I'm in danger. Which is okay. Which is okay. Which is A-okay. If I don't finish my game. Did you know that? Did you know that if you don't finish your game, that's also okay? Because this isn't about doing an amazing, wonderful, complete game. It is about trying your best and seeing how you did. That's what it's all about. So I will be happy whether I finish it or not. And that's just the way that it is. Okay. So we're putting this here. Those are the 2 options. Terrible, terrible setup. We're in danger. But you know what? It's fun. So we're going to say 2 off, 2 soft for safe. Okay? And I want these to be over here. And I'm going to duplicate them. And we're going to say 3 off for offensive and 3 safe. Okay. All right, Dragonblade. We're going to say 3 safe. And then I'm going to move them over here. You guys. Oh, man. Okay, so let's hide all of these. Hide them. Cool. And we only want them to appear under certain circumstances, right? So I want to say I need a timer. So I'm going to create a timer. And this timer is going to run all the time. But we do want it to happen right off the bat. So we'll say right here, whether it's 1 or 2, that's fine. So we can do this here. Okay, so if that's like that, what's going to happen is, I really want to put this in process. I know it's not good to put this in process and it doesn't make sense, but I really don't have time to think about it. So we're going to say if person one joke is this is so unnecessary, and I know that. All right, is if person one joke is set to 1, then we want to say 1 off visible is true, and otherwise 1 off visible is set to false. Okay, that's the way it's gonna be. That's the way it's gonna be. I hate that I'm putting this in process, all right? But you know what? I ain't got time to think about it. If it's set to 2, it'll be different, okay? We're doing the best we can. We're doing the best we can. Saf. Okay. And then I'm going to copy all this. And we're going to paste it again. You think I want 2 off to false? I don't think I do. I think that's... Wait, is that what I want? Oh, yeah, you're right. No, you're not right. You're kind of right. You kind of have it, actually. You almost have it. Something like that. Okay, so I want... You were right, in a sense. Like, in a way, you were right. And you helped me, so thank you. You can draw in 6 minutes? Okay, yeah. We'll see. I'll try to check it out. You can't draw in 6 minutes. Oh, okay. That's okay. I see what you're saying. I was like, yeah, maybe I can check that out. Person 2 joke. Person 2 joke. Right? Yeah, only 6 minutes, man. You made it to the last 5. Welcome, 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 welcome. I barely made it to the last 5. Yeah, something looked off. Yeah. I think this makes sense. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. Now, these all need to be 2 as well. And we still need to set up the timer. And then dude, there's no way. I don't have time. Because I also have to set up the points. So, like, I don't know if we're gonna get points or anything like that set up. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not finishing it. Like, it's just not gonna happen. And that's okay. That's all right. Sometimes you don't get to finish it. But no problem. We have come so far, Dreamy. We sure have. Okay, so I'm gonna say 1 off, 1 saf. Okay, so that should be fine. So we should even see, unless I've done something wrong, which I very well may have. So they all told offensive jokes that time. Okay. They're all telling offensive jokes. This is not working. Why is this random integer not doing anything random? If it's 1, oh, because I made them the same. Guys, I made them the same. I made them exactly the same on each one. That was my mistake. I meant to switch these. That's what I did. That's what I did wrong. I didn't switch the second one. That's what I did wrong. That's what I did wrong. Now, am I actually... If it's 2, it isn't offensive. If it's 1, it is offensive. Okay, so it should be a different one every time. Uh-oh. Oh, we got rid of the V on this one. And then I spelled something wrong, maybe? Why is it not appearing? So these all clearly were safe jokes, but they didn't appear. Why? Why are these not visible? They look like they should be visible to me. To me, they look like they should be visible. I needed that to work. I feel like there's something logically that doesn't make sense here, and that's why it's not working. Not 1 and 2? I think it'll wrap between 0 and 1. Oh, okay, I see. We don't want it to be 0. Okay, so I need to say, shit, how do I do that? Oh, frick. 1 comma 2, like that? Yes. 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 I thought the same thing. You know, I thought the same thing. Oh, we have a problem. We have a problem. Too many arguments. Expected 0. Oh, we want to say rand range. Gotcha. Gotcha. 3 minutes. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Oh, we said Randy on that one. Oh, Rand F range? Or we want to say, oh gosh. We do want the I on there. Okay. Jeez. See, these are the kind of things you need extra time for. All right, there we go. It's rolling. Good. And then we'll say every 5 seconds, connect to the signal, timeout. We want it to roll it again and just roll all of these over again, right? And re-update them in theory, right? So this should change. God, I'm going to waste 5 seconds waiting to see if it changes. Which kind of sucks, because if you click it on 5 seconds, you're going to be in trouble. Assuming that this actually works, which it isn't for some reason. Why aren't they updating? Did we not? Oh, because I didn't hit auto start on the timer. Do. Look at you, right on. You're right there with me. You're right there with me. That was a lot of seconds. Less than 2 minutes. We're definitely not going to be able to spawn a tomato. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. So then I have to make that match the buttons, right? And so, I mean, it's not going to happen. I mean, it's not going to happen. Okay, so how do I assign buttons to numbers? This is me asking it out loud to myself. Not that I'm opposed to an answer, but I'm not technically asking for an answer. So what I want to say is, if you, I guess we'll say this. We could do it on this script. If I connect here, button pressed, right? So let's connect. Oh, we can just make this, dude, just do it right here. If this button is pressed, right? And this one is, which one is this one? 1. So if this is pressed and if person 1 joke is set to 1, then we want to say score label, score text. Oh God, I don't know if I gotta remember how to do that. Add 1 onto it. Does that do it? And then we would say that for each one. And in theory, we'd also say if. Now I have a little more time than that says. I'm going to bring up the real time. That's the fake time. The real time is there's 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Dear God. Person 1 joke set to 2, and you press it. Then your score is going to go down by 1. Then your score is going to go down by 1. Now, this is not how we do this. This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. So what you want to say is you want to have a score variable score, and you want to set it to 0. Yeah, we got it. Yep. Did I just open up the browser? And we want to say, yeah. And then we want to say that the text score label, we want it to constantly update. Yeah, eventually I get there. We want it to update it to be score, right? We'll just have that constantly updating. Super inefficient, I don't care. And we want this to say score plus equals 1. Score minus equals 1. Okay, good. Copy this right here. And then we're going to get another button here. Pressed connect. What? I know you didn't just add the same signal on there. I know you didn't just add the same signal. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. What? Really? So it's not giving me a separate... No. So I'm gonna have to connect these manually. Why is it not creating a fresh signal? Why would you do that? Oh, I just gotta call it something new. Okay, 2. Oh my god. All right, there we go. I never tried to do that, so I didn't know, but now I know. Dear God. If person 2, good, that fixes that. And then for the last one, connect it. You know, I kind of thought it would just do it for me, but whatever. Paste it. Person 3. Okay. Doesn't work. Nothing is loading. What? Oh, we have invalid set index text. Oh, shoot. Set text? Oh, shoot. Invalid set index because it's integer. Oh, string rapid score. Come on, go. No! What? Oh, shoot. This is what's gonna bring me down? Wait. Okay, wait. Yes, it works! Okay, we got it. Good, export it. Okay, I'm late, but this is why we make a pre-submission! Baby! Oh, yeah! Let's go! It works, but I gotta hurry up so we don't waste everybody's time. And then we're gonna test it. We're gonna see how it went. What the flip. Okay, cool. So we're gonna say export path. Okay, I do have to do the export thing. This is why we make a pre-submission, because often you're trying to make your game. Personally, me, I forget to prioritize the submission part, right? Because I'm not perfect. I do my best in this life, but I'm not perfect. I'm super imperfect. Like, dang, like, wow, I suck. No, I don't. I really don't. I don't believe that. But it's easy to mess up. So I forget to prioritize my submission. So for me, it's very helpful to make sure I do a pre-submission, because now I'm gonna be all right. So I'm gonna come back to my project. If you're doing the same thing, you're gonna follow right along with me, all right? Here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go to your dashboard, all right? You're gonna go to your dashboard, and you're gonna find the game. Where is it? There it is. Make me laugh. Open it up. Here to see what people made. What people made. Me too, is what I was going to say. Yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna check out what everybody made in a second, including me. This is safe jokes. Bad joke equals tomato. That's it. That's my name of the game. I'm gonna get a picture of it. A minute late. Yeah, I'm a little late too. I did finish my game on time, which to me, that is all I need to know. But you know, I didn't submit it on time, but really that's what the pre-submission is for. So we're kind of good, guys. My game works. If you didn't catch that my game works, you about to find out. Now, it's not a great, is it a great game? No, but it's mine. And we made it in 45 minutes. So probably 40 minutes, give or take, things that went wrong. So that's cool. So that's kind of cool. All right, getting a little image. Gotta do a little image. We gotta do an image. You submitted this. You couldn't submit it because the link in the stream refused to function. Oh yeah, so you gotta submit on itch. You gotta go on itch. Itch. Can someone in the chat help out Knuckle Blister? Yes, we do this on itch.io. The link is in the description box. The pre-submission. That's what the pre-submission's all about. Is you gotta make sure you go to itch.io and submit it there. You can't submit it to the YouTube chat. The Discord is okay, if nothing else, but hopefully you can get it on the Discord, or sorry, we know that you have it on the Discord, but try to get it to the itch page. If nowhere else, put it in the community tab. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, all right? Because the reason why I insist you put it on itch is because it's going to make it possible for people to find your game and play your game. Because we want people to see your game. The people in the chat want to try your game. The people watching this video after the live stream ends want to try your game. So, you know, it's good if it's on itch because then everyone can access it. So I just want to say that. Okay, so here we go. I'm uploading my HTML game. We have to put it into a zip file. That's how it works. That's how it works. Zip it up into a file. Pierogigon made a game and actually finished it. Let's go. Look, I'm only 4 minutes late. But, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. I'm excited to see what you guys made. We know Pierogigon made something. We know that. Yeah, it's unfortunate that it doesn't give you feedback when YouTube nukes it. But please check out the description box, go to the itch page, and I'm going to show you in a second how you can submit it on the community tab. That would be preferred and ideal. I don't particularly want it to be on the Discord, but if it has to be, that's okay. Tomato offensive joke tellers to get points. Otherwise, you lose them. Okay, good. Done. Save it. Let's see what we got. Is it a game? Is it a game? Is my entry what we would call a game? Is it what we would call a game? It's loading. It's keeping me on the edge of my seat, man. Probably because I got that process function chugging along. Oh, let's go. They're all telling safe jokes. Offensive joke, tomato. And then you can just spam points. Oh, offensive jokes across the board. Let's go. Okay, but, you tell us, you hit the safe joke, it's going to go down. Tomato the offensive jokes. It works, y'all. It goes up when you tomato the right people, and it goes down when you tomato the wrong ones. Yes! Honestly, if you think about it, since I only did mine in 45 minutes, and I took 5 minutes to get it submitted, I technically got it in 50 minutes. So I kind of feel pretty accomplished. Now, look, this game isn't very challenging, but to me, the challenge was about, trying to code something, put everything together, and make it be something in a quick amount of time. And you know what? I did it. And if you didn't do it, that's okay. That's okay. I did my best. Oftentimes, I don't make it. I barely made it this time. So we're going to check out your entries and understand that even if your entry isn't super complete, I still want to see it. I want to know about it. I want to support it. I want to show it love, and it deserves it. So please don't be afraid. I'm not gonna make you feel bad. Not on purpose, anyway. I'm proud. I'm proud I got this set up, man. You can just farm points. It's kind of like the patience, you know? You put it on Discord. So let me tell you about how to do this, okay? So here is the Game Jam page, all right? Here's the Game Jam page. So we have the submissions section right here. Look at all these beautiful entries. Look at these beautiful entries from you guys. Now, if you come over to the community tab, all right, you can create a topic. Take your URL and put it in here. So it's okay if it's on the Discord, but if you can put it here, that would be really helpful. So you can say, you know, my jam entry. This is the community page on here, right? And then you can put a link. You can just put a link that says the word link. Can't you tell? Right? Insert it. Bam. Done. Done. There you go. And this can be like an itch link too. So you can put it on itch and then drop it in here, whatever. So ideally, you guys can get it on there. Let's check out the submissions that we got. I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty proud I got something together. Really was clutch, but we got there. We have from Keela, Almost Bomberman. Almost Bomberman, Joke Maker by Scratch Your Code. Alafian by Dark Rosen, Impress the Witch by Pierogigon, and then from S, we have an entry. S said they couldn't. S got it? Okay, good, good, good. I love it. Killa says, I don't know if your game works, but you finally joined the jam again after 2 weeks of missing it. Hey, you know what? You come when you can. You come when you can. Your messages, oh, I probably just chose not to click on them. Honestly, I probably just chose not to click on them. I submitted mine in the community. It's like, I choose this, right? I'm like, zoop, 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 right? That's, so I probably just skipped your messages, honestly. All right, so here we go. Let's do, if anyone wants to go first, let me know. But since you didn't, let's do Pierogigons. Let's do Pierogigons. Pierogigons, Impress the Witch. Impress the Witch. Submit yours in games by you. Okay. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna save. If you guys only do it on Discord, I'm gonna save you for last. But if you get it up on the community page, let me know and we can work you in sooner. All right. That's the deal. That's the deal. That's the deal. Now I want to make sure we don't spend too much time on people's games, right? So we're gonna set a timer. I'm gonna say 10 minutes maximum. We have quite a few, not 10 seconds. But let's start with 10 minutes maximum for each game. All right, here we go. This is Pierogigons. Your game is a bit too tall. It is tall. It's very tall. Can we zoom it out? Kind of. Recipe. Ooh. Mushroom eyeball dust. What? Add it. Oh, we got like the order. Nice. Gotcha. I love the art. The art on this is awesome. It's literally tall. It's literally tall. I like it. I love the art. I'm just admiring the art. We can kind of fit it all in if I just kind of like do it right. And then if I make it full screen, look at that. Look at that. Bam, fits. So I'm going to add the... Oh, the mushroom first. I see. Mushroom first. Somehow. Add it. Oh! Oh! it says... We're making... Because witches be laughing. Witches be cackling. It's like a thing that a witch has a cackle. And so if you make the witch happy by adding these in the right order, you make her happy. So I think it's if I click these, right? So first click the mushroom, then click the eyeball, then click the ash pile. Bam! I win! Very nice. Just buttons, no click and drag. I like it. I like it. So, I mean, I'm just thinking about how you made this, right? I mean, you've got... It doesn't seem to change, right? If we refresh it, it stays the same. You can also get it wrong. Oh, yeah, let's get it wrong. So you just have like some buttons here, and if you click on them in the right order, then you win, and it makes her laugh. But it knows if you click them in the wrong order. So I'm going to click them in the wrong order. Just immediately unamused.
Not funny.
But if you click them in the right order... You get the laughter. Very nice. Well done, Pierogigon. I like it. That is a quick one. That is a quick one. The witch is everything, Pierogi. The witch is everything. Like, look at this face. Like, is its jaw floating? Is it have a floating jaw? It's very scary. I would be very curious to see what a smile would look like on this thing. I can imagine it. Just like bouncing. It is a fun one. Which is love. Which is life. Which is life. The witch came from Geometry Dash. It does have some geometry on its face. It's a Canadian witch, like South Park with like the bobbing. Yes, absolutely. Which is love. Which is life. Which one? This witch. This is the witch. I wanted to record Brooks laugh from One Piece and make it bounce, but you didn't have time. Time is real. Time is real. You did awesome for the time that we were given. Well done. Thank you for making it. Thank you for giving it to us and for allowing us to not amuse this witch. Or I like how it restarts. I want to say it's nice that it restarts. So if I unamuse the witch, it'll just loop on its own. That's actually a really nice feature. I would say 90% of the jam entries we get require a refresh on the browser in order to do it over. So props for that. Props for that. All right. Yeah, you'll have some extra time. So nobody, I don't think anybody said they want to go next. I think S has said that they don't. I would guess that that means they don't want to go next. Yes, that is how you do it. That's how you do it, y'all. Absolutely. It is easy to do, yeah. If you know how to do it. The wizard is unpleased. Right, the witch may be unamused, but the wizard is unpleased. Good point. Very, very good point. Merp wants to go next. All right, Merp. Let's do it. Who are you on here? Are you Scratcher Code? Oh, you put yours in the community. All right, let's go. Let's go. Are you Edward? You must be Edward. That must be who you are. All right. My epic game be funny now. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Knuckle wants to go next. All right. Welcome to the comedy show. We have something. The best jokes. Oh, yo mama so. Oh, we have to type in. I gotta type something in. Oh, your mama's so smart. Your mama's so smart. Okay, this is funny. A guy walks into a bar. He says, "Hello." What? It's funny. It's funny because you didn't. Why would you walk into a bar and say hello? That's hilarious. That's hilarious. If you walk into a bar and say hello, that's hilarious. Come on. Oh man, you should be funny right this instant. Yeah, welcome, Avid. Classic memes. Press E. Oh, for hints. Okay, we need hints. How do celebrities stay cool? They have a lot of fat out. This is just the answers. Wait, these are just the answers. That's no fun. Well, now we can't guess them. That's okay. These are hard to guess. They have a lot of fans. Oh, that's actually pretty funny. That actually is pretty funny. It's like not. It's not like haha funny, but it's like you got me funny. Why was 6 afraid of 8? Because 7 6 was afraid of 8 because 7, 8, 9. That's why. Everybody knows that one. Because 7, 8, 9. Am I right? Oh yeah, I'm super right. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Why was 6 afraid? Wait, we just did this one. Do it again. Do it again. Double the jokes. One joke. One joke to rule them all. Two oceans said hi to each other. They must have waved. Imagine bowing after every joke you tell. I had a computer nerd pet goat once. He said he needed more. I had a computer nerd pet goat once. He said he needed more. I forgot what they were. Oh, it's RAM. Okay. It's RAM. It's RAM. RAM is the answer. Oh, because goats, like, they have, like, a thing. Well, that was my comedy show. Very nice. Very nice game. Well done. You didn't even remember the notes? You just guessed? Nice. I lost. Oh, because we didn't get a high enough score? Nice. This is an awesome one. This is so well made. Bad ending. You lost. Press flag to play again. So you even have like an ending and an ending whether you do well or an ending whether you do badly. That's awesome. Now I want to see what happens if you do it all right. Wait, let me see what happens if you... Hey, stop laughing at me. Stop laughing at me. No, this is awesome. This is really, really good. And I like that you have the cheat sheet. I kind of wish the cheat sheet was more like clues. But you've done very well here. It goes one after the other super nicely. Oh, because he walked into a bar that, like, he hit. I got you. I got you. It's really well made. Fans. I gotta see the good ending. Oh no, I typed it wrong. Wait, we can still get a good ending. I can't believe I only have 1 point. 9. I love the simplicity of it too, that you just have like this, and I like that like the person on stage is the one who's laughing. Like they're the audience and the comedian. Maybe this will rack us up a few points. The funniness meter was a little rushed. I see. So the score kind of is like, it like works. It like works. It like works. Dude, it's hard to make everything work in 1 hour. This one was RAM. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. That was a comment show. Let's see if we win. Did we get the good ending? I hope I won the National Olympics. Hold on, I'm getting a call. I won! Yippee! We win! Nice. Good ending. You won. Awesome work. I would say the good ending was that you made this game. That was the good ending already. Awesome, awesome work, Mert Maker. The guy kind of looks like the Dar Man if he made gym videos. Yeah, you might be right. Yippee! Very nice one. I loved it. I'm glad we got to check it out. Thank you for making it, for submitting it, and for making me feel like I'm funny, even though I may be... Yippee! Even if I may be told the same joke twice sometimes. The true be funny now were the friends we made along the way. Wow. Best game ever. It's up there. It's definitely up there. Like, it will be in the Game Awards. It will be in the Game Awards. All right, so we're going to check out Knuckle Blisters next. Yeah, we do this every week. Every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Usually the internet is okay. Yeah, we do this every week at 6 p.m. Eastern every Friday. So come through, check it out. See what happens. Yours is the best rushed game ever. Oh, I mean, I've seen, over my many months of doing this game jam, I've seen some pretty good rushed games. So I'll be interested to know. I'll be very interested to know if this matches up. Oh, it won't. Okay, understood. All right, here we go. This is by Knuckle Blister. It's just a comedy game jam submission. You tell the jokes this time. P.S. Don't mess up. I like this. All right, S, thanks for hanging out with us. Good night. You should leave my game for the end because it's not even funny in any way. All right, Killa, you're last. You're last. We got it. Audio issue? I don't think there's an audio issue. I don't think there's an audio issue. My guess is that's not true. Okay, so here we go. Making them laugh. Unless you're saying the game has an audio issue. I'll see. Okay, we're going to turn it down. We're turning the volume way down. Thank you for the heads up there, Knuckle Blister. Make them laugh. All right. Oh, we have to type? I just have to type stuff? Okay. All right, here we go. I'm typing. I'm typing frantically. Ah, why aren't they laughing? Why aren't they laughing? They're just staring at me. Oh. I pressed too many things. I pressed... Click on the window. Click on the window. Click on the window. Okay. Click on... I think it might have broke it. Click on the gray bar on the bottom. Oh! Gotcha. Okay. We're back in it. We're back in it. We gotta type down here. Make them laugh. Okay. Today is the day you will all regret being here. Oh, okay. Well, do you regret being here today yet? Okay, all right. There was a little gasp. I heard a gasp. I'll make the audio's too low. I'm just afraid. I'm afraid. Tough audience. Tough audience. You know, I understand that you don't want to laugh. But my question is, do you want to die? What? That wasn't that... Come on now. That wasn't that shocking. Okay, the gray bar is gone now. The gray bar is gone now. I can't tell any more jokes. Is it because I said the word die? Is it because I said the word die? Well, at least Avid laughed. That's what matters. It would be amazing if someone ran out of time to add the laughing, so it just becomes this. I sent 3 offensive jokes. Oh, they're gasping because they were too offensive. Interesting. All right, so I gotta redo it. I failed. I lost. I got canceled. All right. You made an AI tell if it's offensive or not? What? Yeah, tomato, apparently. All right. Let's tell a joke. I'm gonna retell another joke. I have a nerdy friend who's a goat, and their computer has a lot of RAM. Oh, come on now. That wasn't even offensive. That wasn't even offensive. Yeah, what are your guys' jokes? Guys, give me something to type in. You guys, give me something to type in. Tell me a joke to type in here. Let's give it a shot. Also, Knuckle Blister, if you have a joke that you know it will like, it was so unfunny, it was offensive. If you have a joke that you know it will like, tell it to us so we can experience your game. Well, you gotta let us know. Help us. Laugh, please. Let's try that one. Laugh, please. Another gasp. A horse walks into a bar and the bartender asks, "Why the long face?" So we don't even type the whole joke, just part of it? Okay. All right. I didn't think that was funny. Wait, does this actually do anything? Knuckle Blister. Knuckle Blister, does this actually do something? Tell us the truth. It's quite fun, actually. There's something big brain about it. It does do something. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Ooh, nice. Let's go. Oh, Pierogigon got it to laugh. Wow. All right, very nice. Oh, I just hit enter. I just hit enter. Wait, let me try it again. Wait, are you telling me I just go up on stage and I'm just like, and they're like, yay! I'm just gonna press enter. Oh, I'm press it again. Hey, all right, that's not bad. 2 out of 3, that's not bad. I'm gonna press enter. Here we go. Hey, thank you so much. That's the key. That's the key. Go up there on stage and just say nothing. I mean, you know. Okay, so let's. We did have a joke. We didn't do the salad joke. We need to do these, and we have to do this other one. We have to see if it actually can tell if these jokes are funny. It's very important that we do this. All right, why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Hey, checks out. Wait, how did you do this? But for real, Knuckle Blister, how did you actually do this? I'm so curious. All right, DTR says, why do the skeletons cross the road? To get to the body shop. Oh, they didn't like that one. They didn't like that one. That one upset them. This is a stage fright simulator. It is. Yes, it absolutely is. Oh my gosh. If a comedian went up on stage and just said nothing, I'd laugh. Me too. Me too. Just over dramatically try to speak. So the skeleton hated the storm. The skeleton hated the storm because he has no guts. Skeletons are hard to anger. Nothing gets under their skin. All right. That one was funny, apparently. We made them laugh. My 2 cents is the only funny person so far. Well, it turns out the dev knows a little bit how to make them laugh. You made it pick a random number between 1 and 10, and if it chooses 1, 5, or 10, then it's funny. Otherwise, it's offensive. Smart. I like that, because then we don't know, you know, and we're just in here typing. This is cool. I love that you can come in here and you can enter stuff. Like, you got a nice text input here. It's actually, like, allowing you to enter in and it be received. I like that there's, like, us on stage looking out at this audience. It's very intimidating with the microphone in your face. This is really cool. Like, this is a really good entry that you made here. And it, you know, whatever. Who cares? Oh, let's try this one. Who cares if it's not really reading it? It's the fun part is finding out, you know, if it will. Why was 0110 afraid of 0111? Because 0111 10001001. Ha! That's offensive. That's just offensive. I can't believe you would even type that. I can't believe you would even type that. Just write 1, 5, 10 and win. Wait, that wouldn't work. It's not. Wait. It's just random. That's so good. I know. I love that. It's the best Rush game ever. No, you did a really good job because you put together something that we can interact with. It's the interaction that's exciting. I added an extra 0 so the joke didn't land. That makes sense. So it wasn't Minnie's fault. It was my fault for telling the joke wrong. It's binary for I despise all of you. Well, that's delightful. Awesome entry. Awesome entry, Knuckle Blister. Really, really cool one. I love it. You did a great job. Thank you for submitting it and allowing us to find out what really is funny, whether it's random or not. Whether it's random or not, it's nice to ask the computer once in a while what it thinks. Shouldn't it have a say? All right, we're doing Killa's last. I tried out his game and I got it to laugh every single time. Dang, maybe there's more to it. Maybe there's more to it. Maybe there's more to it than we thought. Who knows? You don't know how to make a joke? That's okay. That's okay. It's overrated. All right. Let's do Dark Rosens. I'm just picking it randomly. You rigged it for Merp specifically. Nice. This is a Latvian. A Latvian. A funny alien. Nice. Very nice. What the what? Buffy for 55%, $50R4, euro, pound, $54, hashtag, $%5, hashtag, FGGTGF, $up, $. This translates to the following. The aliens have taken over the planet and want laughs. So poetic. Press the up arrow to spawn a minion and choose the correct joke to appease the king. Oh my gosh. Everyone dies even if your joke is funny. Wait, what? You can make up what the text says in game. A quick note for myself. I want to make the storytelling more visual in the game so people don't have to read the description to understand how to play. Fair, and what the game is about. I also want to step out of the 8-bit art style and focus on bigger pixel art projects or learn vector art. Nice. I like that. I like that. All right. So wait, so press the up arrow to spawn a minion. Choose the correct joke to appease the king. So it doesn't matter if it's funny or not. We just have to choose the right joke. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it. You like the art style? Let's see. Bracket E P dot apostrophe 0 E we S pound. Okay. All right. I don't know what that means personally. Personally, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna get rid of the itch stuff because it's annoying. I tried to get rid of it, but I didn't successfully get rid of it. So I have to restart it. I gotta try again. There we go. Sprites are cute. I don't know what it is, Dreamy. I don't know what it, I don't know what where you gotta spawn a minion. These are our options. MG bracket pulls hashtag GGBG. I mean, if I were to guess, there's already brackets in this answer. So, like, maybe they match because there's brackets in them all. That's the best I got. This art is very cute. I completely agree that the sprites are cute. Because they kind of, like, have faces, and then they kind of have, like, bodies. It's nice. But what do you guys think? Does anyone in chat have a guess? PLS Pound sounds like he's begging for his life. Please. Ah, yes. GGBB, the classic icebreaker. So it sounds like maybe I'm onto something with MG bracket. Because if PLS pound sign sounds like begging for life, maybe that is funny to a king. What do you guys think? PLS is the most funny because it's a cute phrase. True. Dreamy thinks $28 $_ should have been there. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Gotcha. Sorry for pronouncing your name wrong, Knuckle Blaster. All right, so, I mean, Pierogi, you make a compelling point that please is actually the funniest answer. So I'm going to go with that one. I think we failed. I think we failed. I think that minion just died. So congratulations, you sent it to its death. Wait, these are all different. Oh my god, it's random every time. It's random every time. Chat, I don't think you can even guess if you wanted to. I don't think you can guess if you wanted to. Rest in peace to the little please guy. He will be missed. Think you saw a little smirk? So, but it does say that you'll die even if it's funny. So it may have made the king laugh, but it didn't make them want to keep you from dying. You're dying of laughter. Yeah. This is the funniest thing you've ever heard. Yeah, totally. I mean, look at it. It's and bracket. Oh, you speak Norchokian. Yeah. So your humor doesn't match up with the king's, I'm afraid. I forgot to set a timer. I don't know how long we've been playing this one. We're just gonna keep randomly guessing until it. How do we win? Never liked them blasted royalty. Wait, what? Oh my god! Wait, this went to a 2. It went to a 3. Oh, I see. Okay, all right. So we just have to pick one of these. So I see the score. This isn't what the king is saying. This is the score. And then we don't know if what we're saying is funny unless we click on it and it happens to increase the count. Nice. I like the randomness going on in this jam. Because it's not always the top one. If I click the top one, it's not always right. But sometimes it is. Sometimes it is. Very nice. So you set up a little way for us to click on buttons that may or may not be the right button to click on. You gave us a little world that we're in. I love the, like, concept of, like, you are this, like, minion who has to appease a king. And then we can get points. By the way, you guys, I'd love to know your high scores on all these games. Now, for the last ones, I couldn't really score them that well, but this one gives you an actual score to beat. So, really, it's how long can you last? That one said ASS. Dang, I didn't get to try that one. I gotta say, the fact that you're spawning, like, random text is actually really interesting. The reoccurring theme of you gotta make the jokes, buddy, is really funny to me. Since 3 people out of 4 have done it already. Yeah, I mean, it kind of makes sense with this topic. How did you? I really like the randomized text that comes up, and like it's sometimes it's like a few characters, sometimes it's more. That's really interesting to me. Like you got some skills to come up with that, for sure. It's just creativity here, and for that I gotta give you some points. Yeah, it's like a jester. The minion is like a jester, except they just die every time. Like, why do they even want to do this? They're gonna do this, and they're gonna know they're gonna die, even if they win. It's very sad. But I think you did a great job, Dark Rosen. I think you put together something really nice. I also like the cross hatches in the back. It has a royal vibe, so very nice work there. Thank you for sharing it. Good job on the art. And yeah, I'd like to know how you did that random text generation. That's a trick I'd be very interested in. Let's do my 2 cents next. My 2 cents with simple trivia is this one. Test your general knowledge with this great, totally straightforward questionnaire. Okay, so why do I have a feeling this isn't going to be straightforward? Nor Chokian royalty force their citizens to tell jokes, and even if the joke is good, and even if the joke is good, they'll die. However, if the joke was good, their family receives prosperity. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's worth it to die because their family will get prosperity. That is, it is great lore. That is great lore. I have to say, that actually makes a lot of sense. It totally checks out. This is my 2 cents game, by the way. Simple trivia. It is a totally straightforward questionnaire, so don't you worry. Don't you worry. There's not going to be any funny stuff going on here. Nothing too funny. But maybe a little funny. Alright, we're going to get rid of the itch stuff, because it's annoying. We don't want that. Get it out of my face. Please. We want to protect the sanctity of the dev's creation. We got options? No options. Let's start. What has 4 wheels and flies? Yeah, my 2 cents always has a menu. My 2 cents always has a menu. Well, what is that? What is that? What the hell is that? What is that supposed to be? I'm zooming in. Let me adjust my zoom. What is that? What the heck is that thing? What is this? This has 4 wheels, and if you think about it, it does fly. Oh, a jar of flies. Oh, interesting. But does it have 4 wheels? This looks like it has 3 wheels, unless you count the propeller as a wheel, which seems unfair. Guys, I'm gonna need your help on this one. What has 4 wheels and flies? Because oh, you know what? The garbage attracts flies. That's it. That's gotta be it. That has to be it. Yeah, you copy and paste the menu. Did you pass me the menu? I want to order something. The plane has 2 wheels at the back. Oh. Well, then that complicates this a little bit. It looks like a trash bag. Maybe there's wheels in the trash. There's just wheels in the trash. All right, I think it's got to be this one. Wait, how do I choose it? Click, 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 click. Click. I clicky. Okay. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Does it work? Does the game work? Would be my main question. It takes a little bit more than just choosing. What? What are you talking about? It takes more than choosing. I'm clicking, I'm dragging. I'm typing on the keyboard. The truck is currently empty. Oh, you have to put the flies in the truck. Oh, very nice. Yeah, we gotta throw the trash away. Oh, this is... Okay, now this is clever. Now you're blowing my mind a little bit. The wheels in the garbage truck do go round and round. Yeah, that's true. That was amazing. Wow. What has legs? I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit. What has legs but can't walk? Has wings but can't fly? Has beak but can't bite? Has legs but can't walk? Has wings but can't fly? Has beak but can't bite? You have to shoot the... This is horrifying. Just leave me alone. Oh my god, this gun is like pointed at me right now. Shoot the bird? No. No. No, 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 no. That's not what this is. Is that what this is right now? The platypus. Well, yeah, actually, I like that. See, that would be a good answer to this. It's you or the bird. Well, that's gonna have to be the bird. It's gonna have to be the bird then. Oh man. Oh man. Just shoot the bird. Okay, I'll shoot it. I'll do it. Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. It's escape on the plane. Oh, that's a good idea. I didn't even think of that. Oh, I'm too late. I'm a little late now. Oh, man. It's bleeding a Pokeball. Oh, it does look like a Pokeball. Convincing your favorite streamer. It's a shoot and it's an animal. Oh, I'm your favorite streamer. I'm your favorite streamer. Yeah. Yep, that's what I just did. Okay, so I don't know if I can do anymore. I can't advance. Well done. Oh, we did it. No, we did it. Okay, we can advance. Well done. Thank you. Yes, I must have done very well there, killing a bird. What is slippery? And also the answer to this last question. What is slippery? And also the answer to the last question. I'm your favorite streamer too. Get out of here, Merv. You made that. That's sweet of you. My favorite part of the day is convincing my favorite streamer. It is now the Twitter bird. It is now the Twitter bird. Because it's dead. Is this button gonna dodge? Oh. Oh! What? What? Oh, thanks, Dreamy. Stop it! Stop it! What? Come on. Okay, but let me click. You have to let me click it. You have to actually let me click it, though. What? Okay, okay. It's fine. It's just a game. Just go for it fast. Okay. All right. Here we go. No! Oh! Come on, man. Why are you making me do this? Oh. Oh, it's gone! It's gone! Oh. No, Dreamy, I can't tap it in a corner. It's gone. It's the end of that. I think we have to play it over again. I think, guys, I'm gonna have to kill the bird again. It's free now. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. Wait, wait, wait. Can I scroll up? It's still there! It's still there! Oh! Oh, thank God. Oh, my gosh. All right. Woo! We're fine. We're fine. It's still there. False alarm. Oh, no, it's gone now for real. Actually, I do have to kill the bird again. Alright, okay, fine. We'll kill the bird again. You know what? Screw it. Let's kill the bird. It's just a bird. It doesn't matter. You know what? And I'm not even gonna get rid of the itch stuff. We're leaving the itch stuff for you. The itch has to stay because this is your punishment for making this game. Alright? This is your punishment. This is gonna be there. Ha. Alright, we put the trash in the trash bin. Well done. We're gonna save the bird with the plane. Oh, I can't. I'm clicking it, you guys. I'm clicking it, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't care. I can't save it on the plane. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't watch. I'm gonna zoom it in so you guys can watch it. All right. I want you guys to witness what's about to happen, but I can't watch. All right. Just. Oh my God. Okay. I'm not watching at all. Oh, jeez. Oh, I mean, I didn't see anything. Did it happen yet? I wasn't sure. I couldn't tell because I wasn't looking. So, yeah. Can't believe we had to do that again. All right, so, chase it down, chase it down, chase it down. Click, 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 click. Come on now. We got to be careful. This is a very serious game. Killa, what was I the button doesn't fly off the screen, but I think it's flying away is funnier. It doesn't fly away on yours? Oh my God. So wait, that's what you're supposed to do, is chase it to the end? Well, we know the top edge isn't acceptable. It's gone! Guys, do I have to kill the bird again? Oh, for my 2 cents. My 2 cents! Is this beatable? The button has do no harm as a value. Oh, because I killed the bird. Trash goes in the bin. All right, we have to be okay with it this time. You can't win. We have to be okay with it. All right. Think of it this way. Think of it. It's not beatable. So wait, I don't have to kill the bird again? I don't have to kill the bird again. Okay. The bird lives. The bird will survive tonight. All right? We are not going to kill this bird one last time. All right, real feedback. For real, though. Honestly, my 2 cents, this is amazing. This is amazing. I love this because it makes us laugh. It makes us laugh. You genuinely made us laugh. But besides that, I like that it kind of goes off of this like format of like jokes, right? Like what has, you know, 4 legs but no hair? And it's like a skeleton. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But like, you know, it has that format of like a corny joke. But then it's actually serving like a purpose of, you know, contextualizing this gameplay that we have. And I really like that. I think that that's a really clever way to do it. And then it's funny because of these absurd things that we have to do, namely murder a bird. And then chase a button. It's so clever. You just came up with something really clever, and I'm just really impressed with that. And I like how there's some different aspects, right? Make the gun shoot itself. All right. Oh, it doesn't work. Can we shoot the plane? No, we can't. But we will. I'm throwing the gun away. Put the gun in the trash. Get out of here. Get out your gun. Go away. Get out. Go. Leave. You're not allowed here. No, don't. Oh my God. I'm going to accidentally shoot the bird. We got to be careful. Actually, be more careful. Get out of here. Go away. No gun. No gun. There it goes. No more gun. If guns could fly. Really, really, really awesome entry. A lot of fun. Super silly. Creative gameplay, right? We have the quiz, and then we have the button to chase. I just really love it. You did such a great job. Thank you for this amazing submission. And only in 1 hour. It looks like it's made in 1 hour. But, like, because the idea was so good, it, like, transcends that it was only made in 1 hour. Very cool. Gun deleted. Exactly. If only we could delete every gun in the world, then we'd be less safe. I don't really believe that. Okay. The bird dies of hunger slowly. Good. I'd rather it die that way than being the one to shoot it. I'll take that. It's locked in this graveyard forever. So you're saying it's merciful to kill it? You chose to have it die the slow way. Cruelty ending. Get out of here. Get out of here. What you talking about? All right. Awesome entry. I loved it. Thank you. I don't thank you for having to kill the bird, but that's okay. Sometimes we have to do that. All right, all right, all right. We have Scratcher Code's entry, and then we have S's entry. Let's do S's next. Then we'll check out Scratcher Code's. Then we'll do Killa's, and then I believe we've gotten everybody's. If I haven't played your game, let me know. I think we're okay. I think I haven't missed any, so I think we'll be all right. The plane has no fuel. Why is it always got to be so bleak? Why is it got to be so bleak? This one is from S. It is not called anything in particular, so we're going to find out. Always love the awesome intro here. Forever trapped in a gray void with glued wings and a plane with no pilot's license. What if it just gets to live in the gray void where it chose to be? Maybe the bird flew there intentionally, landed there, and is like, this is where I want to be. Because the life that I come from is a hellscape. There's people who shoot us with guns, but finally I've come to this wonderful void where I'm safe from guns. Oh wait, that player is about to... No, I chose not to. The gray is actually all seeds. Right. It's a good thing. An infinity of seeds. I love that. See, our imaginations can be positive. All right, all right, all right. This is the S's entry. Let's get it started. Looks like it was made in Godot. Here we go. What is going on? What the what? What? I'm counting down. Okay. Okay. We've got some stuff over here. Why do I feel like this is supposed to be bigger? Why do I have a feeling this is supposed to be bigger? Wait, maybe it's not. What is this? Oh, oh, shoot. Whoa, whoa, there's text down here. Okay, we gotta try this one again. We gotta try this one again. This one's tricky. Okay, all right, okay, here we go. Here we go. Just insta win. I just got an insta win. ... I don't know how to tell if you laughed. I laughed at that. I'm going to assume you did. You win. Wait. Okay. So I don't know if this is like a completed game or not. It might not have been completed. It might be broken. But I want to say there's something I really like about... Like, was it supposed to be like S, because S had to go to bed. S was here. S had to leave. Was S gonna like tell a joke in the chat and find out if I laughed like within the first 20 seconds of the game, and then like this was that? And then I win because I laughed. You should add a ghost bird to the opposite corner of your webcam. I'll get right on that. I'll get right on that. I think that must have been what it is. Wait. Whoa. What? What? Wait. What? What is happening? Wait a minute. What am I doing? What is happening? I regained him. Can't be replaced by AI. The AI in question. Yes, I laughed. I laughed. Wait. So I am controlling this with the arrow keys, but I promise you that I have no idea how this is being controlled. I don't understand the controls whatsoever. If I press the up arrow, this happens. I'm currently pressing the up arrow. If I press the right or left arrow. It changes? What? There we go. There it is. It even turns around. Yep. I think we win. I think we have laughter. We have laughed off. We have laughed off, everybody. Thank you for that one, S. I cannot say I am particularly flattered by this this character here. It is giving Bob's Burgers. Is my part really that chunky? I don't think my part is that chunky. Is it? My gosh. Maybe I should do one of these. Oh my goodness. What the what? There. Is that better? What the what? The bald spot is not real. The bald spot is not real. There is no bald spot. It's my part. What are you talking about? I do not have a bald spot. What the what? Look at the back. Literally, the back has a bald spot. Is something to tell me it's not a bald spot? It's a part. What are you talking about? We're not gonna debate this. We're not gonna debate this. Look at this. This is worse than the time you had a bald spot. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. It is not a bald spot. That is a part. That is a line down the middle where my hair splits. It is not what a bald spot is. Y'all are bugging. It is the normal part. A new hairstyle? Yeah. Maybe I will. Maybe I will get a bald spot, and I'll show you guys. I'll show every single one of you what a bald... You want to know what a bald spot is? You want to know what a bald spot is? I'll show you a freaking bald spot. You want to laugh? I'll make you laugh. Here we go. Oh, no, they're not just kidding. And you know what? You know what? They won't need to be kidding. Here we go. I'll show you. You just wait. I'm done with this. We've had enough of this. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. Here we go. It's gonna be fine. All right? No, I have to. This is what we have to do. I'm gonna fulfill the prophecy at last. Okay? All right, guys, that was the entry from S. Really awesome entry. You did a great job, S. I'm very impressed that you made it predict that I would laugh. You were right. I laughed. Thank you for that awesome game. Good job, and I hope you're sleeping well right now. We have another entry. Everything's fine. We have another entry. My hair is looking good. It's you know, I did make a little change, but I realized, you know, it doesn't look as good as I thought it looked. It doesn't look as good as I thought it looked. So I'm just gonna keep this headband on, and we're just going to keep moving forward. And next time you see me stream, I might be wearing a hat. So we're just gonna not worry about that. This is from Scratcher Code. This is called Joke Maker. It's called Joke Maker. That's what it is. It's called Joke Maker. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Like I said, I'm just gonna make sure I keep this headband in the right place, and then next time I might want to, you know, it's fine. You know, it just didn't go like I thought it would, but that's all right. That's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Take my meds. All right. Let me take. Okay, I'll take my meds. I'll take my meds. Fine. Here, look. All right. I'm better. I'm better. I'm better. I'm better. I'm better. I'm better. All right. We got the developer has not uploaded a game. Oh, Scratcher Code didn't upload a game. Oh, okay. It's a link. We got it. We're good. We're good. We got a link. Scratch is not banned, despite us having some internet issues. I did not spit it out. I was making a face like this. I was just doing a face. It was a face. I wasn't spitting it out. It was a face. Some jokes are repeated. All jokes come from the AI extension in Gandhi IDE. Sorry, use this link. Okay, well. You knew it was white. You knew it was white because I showed it to you before I took it. So, Nope, you're just making it up. You're just making it up. It was just a bandwidth glitch. It was just a bandwidth glitch, guys. I didn't spit it. No, that's not true. All right, we got Joke. Made by Scratcher Code. Let's check it out. Ooh, I like this. I like where this is going. I should make the stream quality 32 kilobits per second. Okay. All right. Next time. We gotta move the chat. This is gonna block our text. It's gonna block our text. My creator told me my job is to make you laugh, so I will do my best. To hear a joke, press space. What? Undefined. That actually is pretty funny. That actually is really funny. Oh, it's undefined again. Because okay. Why do I think that's their only joke? You know, I gotta say, it's kind of a clever setup though, right? Because you've got this system where I assume it can pull from a pool of, in theory, of possible jokes. And then you just press the spacebar to cycle through those jokes. That's kind of a cool system to set up. The kids are an easy crowd. Yeah, they are. I think there's something kind of cool about this, if I'm being honest. I mean, look, obviously the joke is the same joke. It was really funny. Honestly, the first time, undefined, that's hilarious. But then at some point, it's like, okay, there are no jokes. But you have a nice system set up here. I wonder if we look at, like, the code. Can we look at the code? I don't know if we can. Maybe. I don't think we can. We can remix it. Oh, we have to log in. We have to log in. Should I try to log in so we can see the code? I think I should try to log in so we can see the code, right? Like, that would be a good idea. Oh. I got blocked because I'm not... Okay, I'm not allowed to log in. I'm not allowed to log in, unfortunately. We can't. I'm not allowed to log in. I don't know why. It won't let me. But this seems like a cool idea. It seems like a cool idea. You've got it. You've got the structure there. You've got the structure there. How do you know what missing kids sound like? What? They sound like the missing kids in my area. Merp, you ask a good question there. You knew them all before they were missing. Get out of here. You guys are crazy. Okay. One more game. This is from Killa. Let me know if I've missed an entry. If you guys submitted it somewhere else, please let me know. I beg you. Almost Bomberman. Almost Bomberman. This is the last one of the night, y'all. This is our last game. You guys can check all these games out. The link is in the description, the itch.io link. Check it out. Let's see what you guys can do. If you guys can get some high scores, there was at least one game, maybe two games that had scores. See if you can beat my scores, or just give the love that you can to these games, because they deserve them. You used to love Bomberman? Me too. Almost Bomberman, almost fun, and almost a game. Controls, right arrow key and left arrow key to walk, and space to open boxes. Try to collect as many apples as possible and try to have fun. I love it. The goal of this game is to save missing kids. Did you win the game jam? No. No, you did not. You absolutely did not. I guarantee you, you did not win the game jam. Nobody wins this game jam. Nobody wins this game jam. Does that make everybody a loser? Maybe. But it also makes everybody a winner. If that makes sense. There are no kings. That's right. Dreamy understands. There are no kings. All right, we got rid of the itch stuff. Here we go. Almost Bomberman. Press enter. Whoa! 1 plus... Let me move this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Do you know? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 equals question mark. 1 plus 1 equals question mark. Do you know? 0. Apples are good. 0. Bombs are bad. What? What in the world is this? Is this like an Amazon shipping center? Look at, we have like it in the background too. I have to say the background is playing into the game very well. Like we have like all of these, we're like in like a warehouse right now. I'm actually extremely impressed by that. Do you guys have a an answer for me? Because I have no idea what to say. Maybe grab a box from the other side and put it there. I can't grab. No grabbing. No grabbing. I'm clicking, but no grabbing. 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's true. All right. Well, I'm going to guess apples, because apples are good. Press 3. I'm pressing 3. Nothing is happening. We have to use arrow keys and space. Oh! Oh, whoa! Oh, it said that. Did it say it down here? And I just like blocked. I read it, but I blocked it because I don't know. Okay, we have to open the boxes. Oh, look at this cute character. Look how cute this character is. I like this so much. Goodbye, Merp. Press space to open. 1, apples are good. What? Wait, I gotta start it over. I'm starting it over. I'm sorry, but I have to start it over. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? So if I press space to open this, this character is gonna say something else, right? And that's like... correct. So I'm going to open it. Oops, what is wrong? Apple is inside of box 1, 3, or 4. Okay. All right. I can guess which one. I'm going to go with 3. Oops, I lied. Okay. Okay, cool. Rate this game from 1 to 4. 4, obviously. Oh, so I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm gonna turn off the chat because you guys aren't saying anything that needs to be on screen. But please talk amongst yourselves. 1, 2, 3, or 4, maybe 2. What is this game? 1, 2, 3, or 4, maybe 2. That was actually 1 because it goes from left to right. Oh. Try to collect as many apples as possible. And it's similar to Bomberman because there are bombs. That's clues where the bomb is. But it could be in any of them. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Maybe 2. What's that? It's tricking me. What? Rate this game from 1 to 4. So I would want to give it a 4, right? I see. So I want to say the game is a 4. Oops, what is wrong? I don't know. Wait. So wait, that wasn't 4? This one is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting that right. If they always lie, then you should do the opposite. Oh. Imagine they're all the same box. Okay. The code just didn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 2. So, not 2? But then it could just be any of them. Oops, I lied. What the? I am racking up the bombs. I am gonna explode. I am like in a dangerous world here. Okay, so if it's in 1, 3, or 4, that means it's in 2, right? I did it! Oh my gosh! What the what? Oh, oh. Killa, I'm like, this game is making me feel crazy. Okay, all right, I got a point. I got a point. I got a point. I got a point. I mean, I do have 2, but I don't know how I got the first one, so I don't count it. Okay. So, but last time I chose this and it was a bomb. Oh, it's not a bomb. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, we're doing it right. Okay, we're good. Oh, it's it does make sense. How good are you at jokes? 1 to 4. I would say I'm a 3. If I'm being honest, like if I'm keeping it real. Oh, that was the wrong answer. But see, like, how am I supposed to get this one? This is your brain. Insert watermelon. This is your brain on bombs. Watermelon implodes. How am I supposed to... Do you guys understand this one? How am I supposed to do this one? So I want to say, in terms of this game and giving feedback, I mean, I love the characters. The characters are amazing. Your art skills are unmatched. I love the way these characters look. I'm confused to the nakedness of our protagonist, but I like it. I think it's good. You know, this character wouldn't have to be naked if we didn't have the comparison of the one who is definitely not naked. So it's like, okay, we are straight up naked. That's for sure. The environment is cool. This works really well. Do you guys have a guess? Like, what's the right answer here? I need help because I'm going crazy trying to do this one. The protagonist is just wearing clothes that are the same shade as the skin. Oh, okay. Sorry for confusing. There are only a few of those quests, and you need to remember the answers. I already forgot them. I think it's trial and error for this question. Could be 1, 3, or 4. Oh, okay. But it's not 2, because they say maybe 2. Okay, so we'll trial and error it. Was it 4? Ugh, it's not 4. Okay, gotcha. I like to imagine he's a little puppet like Pinocchio. Oh, well, that's nice. How good am I at jokes? I did a 3 last time, and that didn't work. So I'm going to try a 4. I did it! Oh, that was a good one. Okay, so 4 is that one. Rate this game from 1 to 4. If I remember correctly, 4 was the wrong answer because I always wanted to give it 4. So I'm going to give it 1. That was the right answer. Oh, that's not nice. You're saying your own game gets a 1? How good are you at jokes? 1 to 4. I think this one was 4, right? Let's go. 4. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. And we just guessed the right ones. 1, 2, 3, or 4, maybe 2. Oh crap, I forgot this one. Was it 4? It wasn't. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so that one is like 1 or 3, I guess. 1 plus 2, do you know? So 3 definitely was wrong, right? So 4? Okay. I want to get them all right. I want to have got them all correct. That's my goal. Rate this game from 1 to 4. We have to rate it as a 1. 3 was right. Wait, you can't tell me the answer. You can't tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, or maybe 4. So this one is 3. He chooses apples, so he'll be like a real boy. Oh, 3 is the right answer for that one. That's okay, kill it. How good are you at jokes? I'm very good at jokes. 4. 1 plus 2. Oh, I already forgot it. It's really hard to remember these. I think it was 4. I think it was 4. Apple is inside of box 1, 3, or 4. So then it's in 2. Okay, I think I understand it. Rate this game from 1 to 4. 1. I forgot 1 plus 2 is. Dude, it's not what you think. You would think it's 3. This one is 3. How good am I at jokes? We say very good. I gotta get that 1. I gotta get that 1 right. I gotta get that 1 right. We rate the game at 1. Jiminy, the boy needs you right now. 1 plus 2 equals 7. I'm not sure what that... Is that one 4? I already forgot. I guess there is no more. No, but I forgot this one. Is this one 4? It's not. Wait, so I've done... Have I actually tried 3 on that one? I can't remember. I want to get that one right. This game makes me feel... I know this must be very confusing to be watching me play this. It feels confusing to play it. I mean, Killa, props to you for making something where we can interact and do stuff. All right? Love to you for that. The reality of my confusion cannot be masked. I don't know how else to... I don't know how to pretend that I'm not super confused. I wouldn't do that to you. How good am I at jokes? A 4. But I enjoy walking around. This game makes me feel wrathful. Why does a man wearing a red shirt have a chronic case of lying? Yeah, there's a lot of interesting questions here. I mean, okay, this is the question I'm trying to figure out. So 3 would be wrong, right? So let me try 2. Wait, are you telling me it's just 3? Is it just actually the correct answer? Is it actually just 1 plus 2 is 3? Wow. All right. All right. There it is. There it is. They're all lies, except for the math problem. The math problem is the one truth. That's it. I just wanted the satisfaction of it making sense. That's all I wanted. I know. Why didn't I try that? I don't, honestly, I may have tried it, and I just don't remember that I tried it. Because that game put my brain into, like, a void of confusion. But you know what? I'm impressed. I'm impressed by what you put together. Your art is amazing. Killa, this art is awesome. I love the art. I'm completely confused by the gameplay. Completely confused, but I'm still proud of you for making something, and I think you did a good job. Did it make me laugh? I think I laughed a couple times. I think I did. Not my favorite game jam topic. Not my favorite game jam topic. But the global game jam is a really cool thing, and I'm glad we based our topic on it because we had some very nice entries. All of you did awesome. You all did do awesome. You all did your best, and that's what matters, because making a game, no, there is no opinion on who made the best game. Nobody made the best game. You all made the best game because you tried. This is ridiculous. Do you know how ridiculous it is to try to make a game in 1 hour? It's completely ridiculous. Nobody can do it. Nobody can do it, except you all did do it. So I have to honor you for that. I have to honor you for that. So thank you so much for participating, every single one of you. Dreamy has art on Discord. I'll make sure I check that out later. Thank you all so much for joining us. I want to give some awesome props to the patrons who support this live stream. Thank you guys for doing that. It means the world. You can actually join the Patreon for free. If you do that today, you're gonna get a secret live stream where we'll check out Dreamy's art. I'm gonna check it out in the secret live stream. Yeah, go to patreon.com/hypergamedev, click on join for free, and you won't get on this list, but I tell you what, you will get a free live stream and a newsletter in your email inbox every Friday. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna go to that. I'm gonna go to that in like 10 minutes or something, we're gonna start another live stream. So go check that out if you're interested. These are people over on YouTube who have supported this channel with their monies. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. It means the world. There is also a live stream that you can get every Monday. It's a full live stream that I do if you are a paid patron or a paid YouTube member. It's a full, like, you know, 6 to 8 hour live stream that I do every week if you join YouTube or Patreon. So check all that out if you're interested. And besides that, y'all, I made a game. I'm pretty proud of that. If you're watching this after the live stream, and you fully watched it like Knuckle Blaster, you can tap or click in the bottom left and you'll see the last game jam that we did. If you tap or click in the bottom right, you'll see the next game jam that we're gonna do. So check that out. I'll see you there. Thank you so much for supporting Hyper Game Dev, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. What am I gonna do without my hair? I can't believe I cut my hair.